Hey, we're here in downtown Killbuck, Ohio. Kind of a rainy day. We're at the Killbuck Thrift Store. We're going to go in and see what all's in there because I know we're going to find things that you like. Come on along. Let's go in and enjoy this. They do have handicap accessibility. It's right at 163 Front Street in Killbuck, Ohio. Here's your hours. Let's go on inside. So as we walk inside, you can go either to the right or to the left. Got a nice little Easter selection. We're going to walk through and look at a lot of the different things here. They've got many different rooms. So we're going to check those out. There, lots of little Easter things. That's nice. Here we are, got some different prices. Now think about this. This little bunny, $1.50. Nice little basket. It's a porcelain basket, $2. How can you beat those prices? Nest and eggs. That is actually very, very cute for $1.50. Like I said, great prices. They also have a gas station down here that has really good prices too. Always cheapest gas in Holmes County. There's a whole set of pretty dishes for $12. All right, so I'm gonna just walk through and look at some different things, and we'll be back here, I'm sure, many times. Look at a lot of the other things and maybe focus a little more on some different items. We'll give you a real good overview of what they have here. Welcome to HCOandMORE. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe. And this is the first room. So let's keep on rolling. I could just get stalled out in one room and just stay there and look at all of the different things. Now look at this right here. I just caught this. This is metal. Cut out, you put a couple pictures in there, $2. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Look at the thickness on that, and it sets right up there. Isn't that neat? There you go. Summer's coming. That is for sure. That's probably just a couple of bucks. Most of these pictures and stuff here are a couple of dollars. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Very nice. Okay, we're going to back up just a little bit. We've got a couple of rooms here with clothes, drapes and curtains, pillows, less marked, $2. Pop pads, dollies, 25 cents, bath towels for $1. Infants' clothes, toys, newborn 24 months, girls, newborn. Onesies 25 cents, t-shirts 50 cents. Now I'm telling you, they've got a lot of different things here. Really, really good prices. Let's move on to the next room. Everything is labeled really nice. There's shorts, 50 cents. You got t-shirts, you got jeans, you got kids' clothes, you got adults' clothes. Looky there. Lots and lots of things. Now this is 1st of March, 2026, so prices may change, but they're always very reasonable. I always end up picking something up. Look at that hat, that is cool. Lots of jeans, lots of shirts, dress coats. Here's some shoes and some ladies' things. Belts, ties, cups, some electronics. Lots of glassware. 50 cents. Whole cake plate for $3. Very pretty. Got lots of toys. There you go. Items on this table free. You can't get any cheaper than that. That's a good deal. Cane. Lots of neat things. Lots of books. There's some jewelry. Earrings, necklaces. Glasses for $1. You got whole sets. Not neat. Little figurines. Oh, I see a guy. He's winking at me. What do you think of that? Scotch. Like I said, make sure you come down here. Still rainy, but it's a great day to go thrifting. What more could you ask for a great day like this? Just a fun little store, great prices. Grab a tank full of gas while you're here and go to your next thrift store and have fun. Hey, one more thing. So this was a quick walkthrough. Next, we're gonna come and start focusing on some individual items because they'll change. And the one lady I talked to said, she works a couple of days a week, and even when she comes in, new things are already out and things have changed. So we'll see you soon. We'll be on another big adventure. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.